Hi everyone, welcome to our vlog, and if you're new here, we're a group of learners excited to talk about one of the most game-changing fields of our time, multimedia and ICT. ICT stands for Information and Communications Technology, and when we pair it with multimedia, we get a powerful mix that shapes how we learn, work, and connect every single day.
So what exactly is multimedia? It is combining different types of content to share a message, things like images, animation, videos, graphics that make information easy to see and understand. Music, voiceovers, sound effects, and podcasts that add depth to what we experience. From captions to articles, clear writing ties everything together and helps us get our point across. Plus interactive elements like quizzes or clickable links that let you, the viewer, be part of action. ICT is the backbone that makes multimedia work. It includes all the tools and systems we use to manage and share information.
Computers, smartphones, cameras, and projector that let us create and display contents. Apps, editings, programs, and social media platforms, and learning management system that help us bring ideas to life. From the internet to local connections that let us share what what we mix with people across the streets or across the world. But here's where it gets amazing when multimedia and ICT teams up. They transform how we learn and communicate. For example, online courses use videos on learning platforms to teach students anywhere, anytime. Social media lets us share photo album, short videos, and written posts all multimedia content through digital networks.
Even in schools, teachers use interactive whiteboards, educational apps, and audiovisual presentations to make lessons more fun and effective. From virtual classrooms to digital storytelling, multimedia, and ICT are opening up endless possibilities for learning and creativity. So that's our quick intro to multimedia and ICT, two sides of the same coin that are changing the way we engage with the world.